Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can play Candy Crush in Facebook. Keep watching the video till the end. To play Candy Crush on Facebook, firstly go ahead and open your Facebook application. The home page of Facebook application will appear on the screen. Click on search icon at the top right corner of the page. Type in Candy Crush Soda Saga and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Tap on it. On the next page, click on Play Game option. This is how you can play Candy Crush on Facebook quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.